This is Francis, and he will show us how to make a origami. What? Or swan?
Sailboat.
Sail? The one that like that?
I made this.
Yeah. Wait, see. Okay. Show us again. Show us again how to make it. There you go.
I'm going to make the flapping bird.
Flapping bird. Origami flapping birds.
You can make also a paper crane.
Okay.
It's the same way.
Will it take long?
No. It'll just take a couple of minutes.
Okay. Uy, shit.
Turn there. Turn
Yes. That's
there.
him. See, that's him, yeah. Very good.
And this is called the pedal fold. It's quite tricky.
Powerful, huh?
Yeah.
I'll show this to your teacher, Neve.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. That's it. Why? You don't want?
Post it on the YouTube.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
YouTube.
I'll post this straight away to YouTube.
Wait, this is so hard to do. You just add that. There we go.
It's a flapping bird?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay.
If you want, you can do a crane.
No, flapping bird, yeah.
Okay.
I'll move here to have that, to see how you make the, what you call that?
Flapping bird, origami flapping bird.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy, huh?
Oh, goodness, make a mistake there. There we go. Oh. Wait.
And then the next one. Few minutes, huh? Yes. Oh, your fingernails is very long. We cut it later, okay?
Okay. That's what you make the pedal fold?
Yeah, pedal fold.
Yeah, the other top.
And then another one?
Yeah, there's another one.
Oh, very good. How many times you been practicing that?
Like 100 times.
100 times, huh? Did
You
you? So you made a lot of mess with your papers, right?
Yeah.
and who clean your mess?
Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy's here at the back. So my
Stop.
My hardship becomes bears fruit. That's why you know how now. All of my hardships. So you used many papers, huh?
Yeah, sure. Print paper.
Yeah.
Square paper.
And scattered here and there, right? And Daddy is the one cleaning.
Start to show.
And then, but anyway, it's okay. At least you learned how to fold and.
I just made 2 of these.
Oh, that's the final result. Okay. May I finish the blue?
And you see these 2 flaps there?
Yeah.
These will be the head and tail.
Oh, really?
First,
yeah.
take this, put it on there.
Yeah.
Just flatten it out, and then you do for that. And then
You make
do that.
You make a, what do you call that, Chris?
Crease.
Crease. Oh, okay.
And then open the pocket and then slide one
Like
down,
that. Oh.
down, and then pull this one out, and you'll make the tail. Also, yeah. And
for the head and
for the head,
yeah.
you just do this. Oh wait again.
Oh, it's 5 minutes now. Very long. But it's okay. Don't just slowly lang. Remember your motto, eh? Slow is smooth. And smooth is fast.
I'm going smooth.
Yes. Slow is smooth, huh? And smooth is fast.
Huh? I don't get it.
What? You don't get it, what?
Smooth is slow, smooth is...
Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast.
What do you choose for the head? This one or this one?
Yeah, this one.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one.
And then you bend...
This one.
This one?
This one.
Hey! And then you make the... just do the same like that.
Oh. Like,
There
oh.
we go.
There we go. Yeah, very nice.
And then you make the wings.
Wings.
Go down to up top there.
Yeah.
Go down there. Do the same amount.
Oh, the
Both
same.
sides.
Both sides, yeah.
And this is the final step.
Final step.
This is the second final step. First you open the wings now.
Yeah.
And then you push them into the bottom, and then to that, and you can do this. Just do this like.
Oh, where's the head? Fix the head.
Oh, sorry. That was my fault.
Yeah, and then will it fluff?
Wait.
Wait. Oh, there you go. One more. One more, yeah. There you go.
And one more there.
There.
And unfold.
Unfold, yeah.
Ta-da!
Taran, yes.
And to make a flap, just grab the tail and do this. Wait.
Oh! Wow! Very good, man.
And that's how to make an origami.
You're the man. Come here. You're the man.
Hey.
Okay.
Can you do a sailboat? It's a quick one.
Yeah, I will stop this first, Anay.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye na.
Bye.
Irish Francis 150.
Hey.